I provided funding to Medcare 24 to the amount of 10 million rand.
UKarim uthi ngaphambi kokuthi uMatlala aboleke le mali kuye wayengamazi. Uthi umuntu owayemazi uBrown Mokhotsi nokunguyena owamnikeza isiqiniseko sokuthi uzoyithola imali yakhe. Likhona ithenda alitholile uMatlala emaphoyiseni.
Prior to this, to the best of my recollection, I had no engagement, relationships, or dealing with Vusi beyond knowing in a general sense who he is.
Uthi isivumelwano kwakuwukuthi uMatlala uzoyikhokha le mali isiphindeke kabili ngo-20 million wamarandi.
Vusi and I agreed that if I advanced the 10 million, I would be paid an additional amount of 10 million over a 3-year contract period.
Ukholwa ukuthi uBrown Mokhotsi wayazi abantu abaningi ku-ANC njengoba wayehamba phambili nasemkhankasweni wokweseka uCyril Ramaphosa okwengamela i-ANC ngo-2017.
Yes, I believed that Brown had the influence at that time. On many occasions in the Northwest, especially in the structures of the ANC.
Wenqabile ukuphendula ngengxenye yobufakazi bamakhasi ayisithupha athinta uHangwani Maumela nosoleka enkohlakalweni eyenziwa isibhedlela iThembisa.
Despite being instructed to issue a statement concerning the nature and extent of his relationship with Mr. Morgan Mamela, he declined to do so. He says nothing about Mr. Morgan Mamela. He clearly doesn't want to speak about Mr. Morgan Mamela.
Ngesikhathi ebuzwa ngemlayezo kaWhatsApp phakathi kwakhe noVusumuzi Kets Matlala, okuthiwa kwakungeyokulutha uMatlala ekutheni akholwe ukuthi uKarim wayenobudlelwane nongqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osekhefini uSenzo Mchunu, uKarim uphendule wathi uMokhotsi owamtshela ukuthi enze lokho.
You wanted Mr. Mokhotsi to persuade the minister to intervene in an operational matter so that Mr. Matlala got paid and you in turn got repaid.
Correct.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uKarim aphothule kusasa ubufakazi bakhe kule khomishana.